Well, I'm so excited. My FlexiSpot washable rug has come in, and I'm going to open the box. We're going to put it together, and I'm so excited to try this rug out. I'm replacing a rug I have in my sunroom. It's not washable, and it doesn't have a good mat under it. So I'm going to open this box, and you're going to watch me put it together and see how easy and simple it is. And we're going to check this rug out. And the whole thing about this is that it can be washed, and that's one of the main things I like about it, and the main reason. Dust on it. Try some paper on it. It vacuums up well. I put it lightweight. It is very easy to pick up. Okay, here we go. It is going to go very easily into my washer. It just goes into the washer very easy and fill it half up. And this is the 6x9 size. I like it. The rug I had in my sunroom that I'm replacing. This rug is definitely not washable. So my FlexiSpot rug is down. I'm loving the colors. I'm loving the washability of it and the lightweightness of it. The hardest part for me was getting the mat put together and getting all the little notches in together. So the rug is on the floor, and this is the picture of it. It's the FlexiSpot washable rug.